Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate second year mathematics paper 2B. The topic is circles. So వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు ఇక మన వీడియోని ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో మన వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోస్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే విధంగా చూడండి. సో మన ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్టింగ్. Next question, same model. 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c are concyclic, then find the c value. See here, it is the required equation of the circle. The circle is passing through 4 points. Why? Because already given that the points are concyclic. So then the point A, B, C and D, all the points are lies on the same circle, then the points are called that concyclic. Okay, so find the c value. How to find the c value means, first you have to take the circle is passing through, find the equation of the circle. It is passing through the point A, B, C. You will get one equation of the circle. After that, what is the remaining point? D point. Substitute the D point in that equation, you will get the c value. So ఈ మోడల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా సేమ్ మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కనుక, సో మోడల్కి ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను నేను, ఎందుకంటే మనకు వీడియో ఛానల్ ల్యాగ్ అవుతుంది. సో అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా సేమ్ మోడల్ చెప్తే, సో మోడల్కి ఒకటి చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాను. సేమ్ మోడల్ ఉన్నాయి మాత్రం, రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ గివెన్ దట్ the point A equal to 2, 0, B equal to 0, 1 and C equal to 4, 5, D equal to 0, c. Consider S, H, K is center of required circle. Okay, next, according to the problem or according to the diagram, we know that SA equal to SB equal to SC except C value. The c value ఉన్న పాయింట్ వదిలేసి రిమైనింగ్ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకుందాం. SCA equal to SB equal to SC. So what is the first condition? SCA equal to SB implies squaring on both sides. SCA square equal to SB square. SCA square equal to the point S and point A, H minus 2 whole square plus K minus of 0 whole square. It is equal to SB square, B point, H minus 0 whole square plus K minus of 1 whole square. Okay, H square plus 4 minus of 4H plus K square. Similarly, H square plus K square plus 1 minus of 2K. H square, K square, H square, K square, both are gets cancelled. What are the remaining? Minus 4H plus 4, it is equal to minus 2K plus 1. Okay, all these values write in right side. The sign should be changed. 4H minus 4 minus 2K plus 1 equal to 0. What will get? 4H minus 2K minus of 3 equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. Take the second condition, SB equal to SC. Squaring on both sides, what will get? SB square equal to SC square. So take the point B and point C. H minus 0 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square, it is equal to SC H minus 4 whole square plus K minus 5 whole square. H minus 0 means H square plus K square plus 1 minus of 2K, A minus B whole square formula. It is equal to H square plus 16 minus 8H plus K square plus 25 minus 10K. Equal terms of K square, H square, K square, H square, both are gets cancelled. 1 minus 2K equal to minus 8H minus 10K plus 25 plus 16 equal to plus 41. So all these values right in left side, their sign should be changed. 8H plus 10K minus 41 plus 1 plus 2k sorry, this sign should be changed. These are the same, plus 1 minus 2k equal to 0, right? 8h plus 10k minus 2k equal to plus 8k, minus 41 plus 1 equal to minus 40 equal to 0. What is the common factor? 8 is the common factor. You can write h plus k minus 8 5 is 40, so then 5 equal to 0. Take this is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 by the method of cross multiplication law. In equation, what is the k coefficient equal to minus 2, the constant is minus 3, again 4 minus 2. In equation 2 equal to k coefficient 1 minus 5, again 1 into 1. What is the order? hk constant. So then h by minus into minus plus 10 minus of minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3, k by minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus of minus 5 into 4 minus 20 minus into minus plus 20, 1 by 4 plus 2. It is equal to h by 13 equal to k by 17, 1 by 6. So then according to the first and last, second and last, so direct you have to write h equal to 13 by 6, k equal to 17 by 6. The radius r equal to, take the simple point. What is the simple point equal to? 0 comma 1. So that means the radius I will take SB. Squaring on both sides, r square equal to SB square. So then r square equal to h minus 0 whole square, k minus 1 whole square. We know that h and k values, then you can substitute r square equal to h value equal to 13 by 6 minus 0 whole square plus k value equal to 17 by 6 minus 1 whole square. So then r square equal to 13 by 6 whole square plus 6 is the LCM, 6 into 1 6, 6 minus 6 plus 17 equal to 11 by 6 whole square. Okay, next r square equal to, what is the LCM? 6 square 6 square, so that is equal to 36, 169 by 36 plus 121 by 36. It is equal to 161 plus 121. What is the LCM? Is 36 is the LCM. Okay, 10 9 290. So r square value equal to 290 by 36. So then equation of the circle is, we know that center and radius, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, next x minus h 13 by 6 whole square plus y minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 36. Okay, here it is the equation of the circle. It is passing through how many points? 3 points, that is a, b, c. What is the remaining point? Is 0 comma c. But according to the problem given that the 4 points are concyclic, so that means this point should be lies on the same circle. So that means this point is satisfying to this equation. So that is why the point D 0 comma c lies on above equation. Since why? Because given that the 4 points are concyclic, so then you can substitute x equal to 0, y equal to c. Then 0 minus 13 by 6 whole square plus y means c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 6. 290 by 6. See here minus 13 by 6 means 169 by 36 plus c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 6. This value can be written as here. The sign should be changed. Then c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 6 minus 169 by 6. So then what will get? C minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 minus 169 by 6. Why? Because 6 is the LCM. 290 minus 169 equal to, so it is equal to 121 by 6. 121 by 6. Okay. See here, c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 129 by 6 can be written as 121 by 6 can be written as sorry 290 by 36, here not 6, 36, it is also 36. Okay, it is 36, it is 36, sorry, 36, it is equal to 36. Okay, 121 by 36, 121 by 36 can be written as 11 by 6 whole square, 11 by 6 whole square. Okay, whole square both are gets cancelled. What will get? C minus 17 by 6 equal to 11 by 6. Okay, this minus can be written as, here the sign should be changed, it is equal to C equal to 11 by 6 plus 17 by 6. So then C equal to, what is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. 11 plus 17 equal to 28. Then 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So then 14 by 3. So what is the C value equal to? 14 by 3. So then the C value equal to 14 by 3. Next we discuss one more important question. Find the equation of the circle. It is passing through the origin 0 0 and making intercepts of 4 comma 3 on x axis and y axis respectively. See here, find the equation of the circle by using the given condition. What is the first condition? It is passing through the origin. The second condition is given intercepts. What is the x intercept equal to 4, y intercept equal to 3. By using these three conditions, you can find the equation of the circle. See here, the required equation of the circle, I will take the general form. What is the general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. This is our required equation of the circle. But in that equation, we don't know g comma f comma c values. You can find these values by using the given three conditions. Okay, what is the first condition? The equation 1 is passes through the origin 0 0. Already we discussed in previous classes, any circle is passing through the origin. In that equation there is no constant value, so that means the c value should be equivalent to 0. According to this concept, directly have to write the c value equal to 0. By using the first condition, you will get one value, that is c equal to 0. What is the second one? Given that x intercept, what is the x intercept is given that 4. Okay, but what is the principle of x intercept equal to 2 into root of g square minus c equal to 4. Then 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, then root of g square minus, what is the c value equal to 0, it is equal to 2. Then root of g square equal to 2. Squaring on both sides, what will get? Root of g square, again whole square equal to 2 square. Square root both are gets cancelled. You will get g square equal to 4, but g equal to plus or minus 2. G square equal to 4 means what is the g value equal to? Plus or minus 2. By using the second condition, you will get g value. So after that, what is the last condition? Given y intercept, what is the y intercept equal to 3. So then the y intercept formula is 2 into root of f square minus c equal to 3. Okay, then root of f square minus c equal to 2 can be written as here, that is equal to 3 by 2. What is the c value equal to? Directly you can substitute c value equal to 0. Then square root of f square equal to 3 by 2. Squaring on both sides, what will get? then root of f square again whole square equal to 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square equal to 9 by 4. Here square root both are gets cancelled. What will get? F square equal to 9 by 4 implies f equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. You will get f value. Okay, so then we know that g comma f comma c values, then substitute these values, substitute in equation 1. Why? Because our required equation is equation 1. So equation 1 can be changed x square plus y square plus 2 into g. What is the g value equal to? Plus or minus 2 into x, 2gx plus 2 into f plus or minus 3 by 2 into y plus c. C value equal to 0, equal to 0. Then x square plus y square plus or minus 2 into 2, 4x. Okay, then 2 both are gets cancelled, plus or minus 3 into y, 3y equal to 0. This is our required equation of the circle.